हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज स्नेहल पवार. आज आपण इंटरव्ह्यू क्वेश्चन एसक्यूएलचे डिस्कस करणार आहोत. तर पहिल्या पार्टमध्ये आपण एसक्यूएलचे 6 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. तर आता नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जे आहेत ते आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये डिस्कस करणार आहोत. तर चला स्टार्ट करूया. व्हॉट इज अ कंपोजिट की इन एसक्यूएल? Composite key is a combination of two or more columns in a table. Can we insert identity column value explicitly? If yes, then how? Yes, we can explicitly insert identity value whenever required. Set identity underscore insert table name on. What are different way to get last generated identity column value? There are 3 ways to fetch last generated identity column value. Scope underscore identity function. It returns the last identity value that is created in same session and same scope. At the rate identity function. Return the last identity value that is created in the same session and across any scope. Ident underscore current table name. It returns the last identity value that is created across any session and any scope. What is a DBCC check ident? If all rows get generated from table but still we able to see last generated identity value. Syntax DBCC check ident table name comma receive comma 0. What is a normalization in SQL? Normalization is a minimize duplicate data. 3 steps of normalization. First normalization, second normalization and third normalization form. First normalization, no multiple values separated by comma, repeating column groups uniquely using a primary key. Second normalization form. The table meet all the condition of first normalization satisfy. Move duplicate data from separate table. Create relationship between these table using a foreign key. Third normalization form. The table meet all the condition of first normalization and second normalization satisfy. Does not column that are fully dependent upon the primary key. What is the difference between where and having clause? Where clause can be used with select, insert, update, delete statement. Having clause can be used with a select statement. Where filter row before aggregation. Having filter groups after the aggregation. What are different types of join available in SQL? Explain them. Join is used to fetch common data from related tables. There are 3 types of join: cross join, inner join and outer join. Cross join is used to produce Cartesian product. Cross join should not have on clause. Syntax select column name from table name, cross join table name 2. Inner join is used to fetch common data from related tables. Syntax select column name from table name 1, inner join table name 2 on table name 1 dot id equal to table name 2 dot id. Outer join. 3 types of outer join: left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. Left outer join is used to common data plus uncommon data from left table. Syntax select column name from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot id equal to table 2 dot id. Right outer join. Right outer join is used to fetch common data plus uncommon data from right table. Select column name from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 dot id equal to table 2 dot id. Full join. Full join is used to fetch all data from both the tables. Syntax select column name from table 1, full join table 2 on table 1 dot id equal to table 2 dot id. Thank you. माझा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडत असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.